Asia's multimedia star Alden Richards shared a cryptic post amid the rumor that he stopped courting Asia's superstar Catherine Bernardo. Alden and Catherine's tandem, tagged as Kathden, received a warm acceptance from fans since their first movie together Hello, Love, Goodbye in 2019. Then, last year, the much-awaited sequel happened, Hello, Love, Again, which is the current top-grossing Filipino film. It has been rumored that Alden started courting Catherine even before the movie announcement took place because they have been spotted together several times. While promoting the movie, both Catherine Bernardo and Alden Richards that they became closer to each other. Kathden fans were anticipating that the two famous stars would end up together. When asked about the real score between them, Alden did not give a direct answer. However, he clarified the courting rumor. He said that it was not true because he and Catherine cherish what they have. However, a rumor surfaced just recently that the Kapuso actor stopped courting the Kapamilya actress. With this, negative comments were expressed against the actor on social media. It was alleged that the supposed courting was just for the movie promotion. A rumor also surfaced that after the movie, Alden and Catherine were already deadmahan, because allegedly they stopped spending time with each other. Amid this issue against the actor, he shared a cryptic post on his Instagram story. Food for thought, mind your own business, Alden shared. The actor had no elaboration about his post. Meanwhile, it was rumored just recently that Catherine Bernardo and her ex-boyfriend Supreme Idol Daniel Padilla reconciled. However, after this rumor surfaced, Catherine's mom Min Bernardo reminded fans not to believe fake news easily. However, social media personality Sian Gaza asserted that Kathniel reconciliation was true.